phela ikolele yali malunga singakamtholi uyakhumbula kwathi diamond namala diamond unamala ngithi ngiyachinga 24 hour ngiyachinga 24 hour ekuseni ngivuke ngithathe ubuthongo ukuthi angingalali diamond unamali ikolelo ya yokulunga izithe nenge sifuna ukuthi ungakhambi ngokolelo wenze the miracle sokuchinga sithi ade zonke basayoyithatha mna nami never wayokha ithi ngavumbulula isikelemi bese ithi accident akhonakala uNkulunkulu wangi-answer wathi yes kathi lesikhathi ngizala abantu abala bengifuna ukuchazisela nangisakubekha ngijehova somali ngifuna ukubuyela dimension ngoba khe ngiyibona inkulumo ngifuna ukutshela dayimani ukuthi dayikha ibe keza ngizabe igijima yithi ngiyangibona na no more touch me somebody no more touch me somebody bekhipha nini
ibekeza ufuna iphume nini wena
mina ngifuna ibekeza ngoba bekuyithi Saturday ngibigijima yele round
yeah
la let's tell you something and I want the testimony ngiyayifuna ngoba ishow yami inomnikazi that day you cut ikoloile ya ne you open the engine you open the door we understand with the car nobody touch you and me in this car no accident no nothing Satan ngibawudede ayisiyo yakho futhi devil you are under my foot ngaphasi kwenyawo zami nangikhamba khona ngiyakugadanga waningi uthatha istrayville sekolo yami baleke Satana umumtshela ukuthi Satan uyamove uyaphendula Satan uthi yes move kuthi move Satan ulichacha nebhokobala ukuthi amlimu bamtshela ukuthi move uyamove Satan mara wakamtshela utunge wami uyangizwa and wabona ukuthi awumsabi uyangiyekela ubamba abanye abamsabako nangimsaba uDavid hayi man ngathatha ama chance ngami mina